Hello, everyone. I hope your day is going great. I just wanted to take a second to talk you through what I'm expecting you to do for the next 10-15 minutes or so. In your next part of class, whether it's today or tomorrow, you'll be reading the play. Now that your parts have already been assigned, I wanted you to take a few minutes to practice your lines, okay? So there's not a part for everybody. There's only parts for about half the class. And so what I'm asking you to do, if you have a part, what I would like for you to do is get together with somebody else in the class who does not have a part assigned to them, all right? I want you to sit with that person and working quietly, I want you to practice your lines, okay? You can skip all other parts, so if you get to a section of the script where you don't have any lines for a while, you can skip ahead to the next part when you have lines again, all right? So it says in the bottom here, note, if you don't have a part, it doesn't matter which lines you read. Just fill in for all the parts that don't belong to the actor. So here's an example. Let's pretend like I am partners with SpongeBob, and SpongeBob is going to be reading Steve's lines in the play, all right? So I'm his partner. I don't have a part assigned to me, so I'm going to read for everybody who is not Steve. All the parts that are not Steve's. So I'm going to read Don's lines, Mrs. Brand's lines, and the narrator's voice, all right? Just because my job is to help Steve, or SpongeBob, practice. So I'm going to just help SpongeBob prepare for his lines by reading all the other lines that don't belong to SpongeBob. And once Steve doesn't have a part for a while, then we'll skip ahead and go to another section in the script where Steve starts having lines again. I hope that makes sense. Good luck with your practice. Try to remember not to read like a robot, but to read with expression, and you don't need to use funny voices and things like that. We'll get, a good feel for who you are based on what you say and how you say it. All right, good luck.